Antarctica is Earth's southernmost continent, a landmass almost entirely situated south of the Antarctic Circle. It's a continent of extremes, holding the record for the lowest recorded temperature on Earth. The continent's vast expanse, the fifth largest globally, is predominantly covered by a massive ice sheet, a thick blanket of frozen water that dwarfs all others on the planet. This ice sheet contains the majority of Earth's fresh water, locked away in a frozen state. Antarctica's landscape is characterized by its high average elevation, making it the highest continent. The terrain is rugged, with towering mountains and deep valleys hidden beneath the ice in many places. These features are revealed through advanced technologies like radar that can penetrate the ice. The continent is a cold desert, receiving minimal precipitation throughout the year. Most of this precipitation falls as snow, contributing to the ever-growing ice sheet. The harsh environment limits the diversity of life, creating a unique ecosystem. The Antarctic ice sheet is not static. It's a dynamic system constantly shifting and changing. Glaciers flow from the interior towards the coast, where they calve into the sea, forming icebergs. The movement of this ice plays a significant role in global sea levels. The surrounding ocean, known as the Southern Ocean, is a unique body of water with its own distinct characteristics. It's a cold, nutrient-rich environment that supports a significant amount of marine life. Antarctica's climate is characterized by its extreme temperatures, strong winds, and long periods of darkness and daylight depending on the season and location. The tilt of the Earth's axis causes extreme seasonal variations in sunlight. The continent's geological history is long and complex. It was once part of a larger supercontinent, and its current isolated position has shaped its unique ecosystem and geological features. The Antarctic Treaty System, a landmark international agreement, governs human activity on the continent. This treaty promotes scientific cooperation and protects the environment from exploitation. Research stations from numerous countries dot the landscape, conducting scientific research in various fields. These stations provide crucial data on climate change, geology, and the unique ecosystem of Antarctica. The continent's ice-free areas, known as oases, are scattered throughout the continent. These areas offer a glimpse of the land beneath the ice, providing valuable insights into the continent's geology. Human impact on Antarctica is a growing concern. Climate change is causing the ice sheet to melt, raising global sea levels and altering the delicate balance of the ecosystem. Tourism in Antarctica is a growing industry, bringing visitors to witness the continent's unique beauty and learn about its scientific importance. However, sustainable tourism practices are essential to protect the environment. The future of Antarctica is closely tied to global efforts to mitigate climate change and protect this unique and fragile environment. The continent's ice sheet plays a critical role in the global climate system. Antarctica's importance extends beyond its scientific and environmental significance. It serves as a reminder of the interconnectedness of Earth's systems and the need for international cooperation to address global challenges. Antarctica's animals have evolved remarkable adaptations to survive the continent's extreme conditions. The frigid temperatures, scarce resources, and long periods of darkness and daylight necessitate unique survival strategies. Many animals exhibit physiological adaptations to cope with the cold. Thick layers of insulation, whether blubber or dense fur, minimize heat loss in the icy waters and winds. Some have developed natural antifreeze compounds in their bodies to prevent freezing. Behavioral adaptations are equally crucial. Animals often huddle together for warmth, sharing body heat to survive the harsh winters. Migration is another common strategy, with many creatures moving to warmer waters during the coldest months. The availability of food is a major factor influencing animal life. The Southern Ocean, surrounding Antarctica, is a surprisingly productive ecosystem, supporting a rich food web. Many animals rely on krill, a small crustacean, as a primary food source. Breeding strategies are also adapted to the harsh environment. Some animals breed during the brief austral summer, maximizing the time available for raising young. Others have developed unique reproductive behaviors, such as the males incubating eggs while the females forage. The distribution of animals in Antarctica is largely determined by the availability of food and suitable habitat. Coastal regions and ice-free areas tend to support higher densities of life than the barren interior. The animals of Antarctica are interconnected through a complex food web. Predators and prey are linked in a delicate balance, with changes in one population potentially impacting others. The impact of human activity on Antarctic animals is a growing concern. Climate change, pollution, and overfishing pose significant threats to the delicate ecosystem. Conservation efforts are crucial to protect Antarctica's unique wildlife. International agreements and research initiatives aim to minimize human impact and preserve the continent's biodiversity. The study of Antarctic animals provides valuable insights into the principles of adaptation and survival in extreme environments. Their resilience and unique adaptations offer lessons for understanding the broader context of life on Earth. The future of Antarctic animals is uncertain, dependent on global efforts to address climate change and mitigate human impact. The continent's unique ecosystem is vulnerable to disturbance. Antarctica's animals are a testament to the power of natural selection. Their remarkable adaptations and resilience highlight the diversity of life on Earth. Understanding the challenges and adaptations of Antarctic animals is essential for effective conservation strategies. Protecting these creatures is crucial for maintaining the integrity of the Antarctic ecosystem. The animals of Antarctica represent a unique and valuable part of the planet's biodiversity. Their survival in such extreme conditions is a remarkable feat of evolution. Continued research and monitoring of Antarctic animals are necessary to track the effects of climate change and human activity. Early detection of threats is crucial for timely intervention. Antarctica's animals serve as a reminder of the interconnectedness of life on Earth. Their well-being is linked to the health of the global ecosystem. Animals in Antarctica have adapted to survive in one of the harshest environments on Earth. The extreme cold and dry conditions make it difficult for life to thrive, but animals have found ways to cope. One way animals survive is by having thick layers of insulation, such as fat or feathers, that help to keep them warm. This insulation traps warm air next to their skin, preventing heat from escaping and keeping them cozy. Some animals also have specialized circulatory systems that help to conserve heat. They may have countercurrent heat exchange systems in their legs or other extremities, which help to reduce heat loss. Animals in Antarctica also have to contend with the lack of food during the winter months. Many animals will gorge on food during the summer when it is plentiful, and then rely on stored fat reserves to sustain them during the winter. In addition to physical adaptations, animals in Antarctica have also developed behavioral adaptations to survive. Some animals will huddle together in large groups to share body heat and conserve energy. The Antarctic environment is also extremely dry, which can be challenging for animals. Some animals have developed specialized kidneys that are able to concentrate their urine, reducing water loss and helping them to conserve moisture. Animals in Antarctica have also adapted to the extreme winds and blizzards that are common in the region. They may have strong muscles and sharp claws that help them to dig into the snow and ice, or they may have flexible bodies that allow them to bend and flex in the wind. Despite the harsh conditions, animals in Antarctica are able to survive and even thrive in this environment. They have evolved over time to develop the specialized adaptations and behaviors that are necessary to survive in this extreme environment. The ability of animals to survive in Antarctica is a testament to their resilience and adaptability. Despite the challenges, animals are able to live and breed in this environment, and they play a vital role in the ecosystem. Overall, animals in Antarctica have developed a range of adaptations that enable them to survive in one of the most extreme environments on Earth. These adaptations are crucial to their survival and allow them to thrive in this challenging environment. The temperature in Antarctica is extremely cold, with temperatures often dropping below -40 degrees Celsius in the winter months. In fact, the coldest temperature ever recorded on Earth was -89.2 degrees Celsius at the Russian Vostok Station in Antarctica. The Antarctic climate is known for its extreme cold, dryness, and wind. The temperature can fluctuate greatly depending on the time of year, location, and weather patterns. During the summer months, the temperature can rise to around 10 degrees Celsius near the coast, but it can still be well below freezing in the interior. The cold temperatures in Antarctica are due to its unique geography. The continent is situated at the South Pole, which means it receives very little sunlight during the winter months. The sun's rays also hit the Earth at a very oblique angle, resulting in much weaker solar radiation. The cold air in Antarctica is extremely dry, which makes it difficult for heat to be retained. The dryness of the air means that there is little to no insulation, allowing heat to escape quickly. This makes the temperature feel even colder than it actually is. The winter months bring extremely low temperatures to Antarctica, making it one of the coldest places on Earth. The extreme cold makes it difficult for animals and humans to survive without proper protection and equipment. The temperature in Antarctica can be extremely variable. Sudden changes in temperature can occur due to changes in wind patterns or the movement of weather systems. This variability makes it challenging for scientists and researchers to predict the weather and plan their activities. Antarctica's extreme cold supports a range of ecosystems that are adapted to these conditions. Scientists and researchers are drawn to Antarctica to study these ecosystems and gain a better understanding of the natural world. The extreme cold in Antarctica makes it an ideal location for certain types of scientific research. The cold temperatures and dry conditions make it an ideal place to study the behavior of materials at low temperatures or to conduct astronomical observations. The temperature patterns and variability are essential for scientists and researchers to understand the climate and ecosystems of Antarctica. This knowledge helps them to better understand the natural world and make predictions about future changes. The temperature in Antarctica is one of the most extreme on Earth, with temperatures often dropping to extremely low levels. The cold temperatures and dry conditions make it a challenging environment for animals and humans to survive, but also provide a unique opportunity for scientific research and discovery.